Hello, I'm Scott Jernigan. Welcome to CompTIA IT Fundamentals, knowledge that every citizen of the 21st century should have. We interact with computers and computing devices all the time in our everyday life, from smartphones to workstations, at home, at work, at the neighborhood cafe. The IT Fundamentals exam objectives cover the basics of how computing devices work, what you can do with them, and how they all network together. The certification targets two groups of people: folks who need to know the essentials of computing, that's pretty much everybody, and people who are thinking a career in IT might be cool and want to dip their toes into water. The IT Fundamentals objectives consist of 5 parts: software, hardware, security, networking, and basic IT literacy. You can see the percentages on the screen. The software section questions you on how to interact with operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. It gives you a survey of application software to give you a feel for all the cool things you can do with computing devices. On hardware, you'll get questions about how various parts of devices work, like hard drives for storing data. Plus, you'll see a lot of questions on connectivity, such as which port to use for a monitor versus the port for a printer. Security asks you pointed questions on stuff you absolutely need to know these days, such as how to make a really good password and keep it safe. You'll get questions on how to surf the internet without worry about downloading malicious software, like a virus that will trash your computer. The networking questions you'll encounter ask about things that most users do today, like connect securely to a Wi-Fi network. The basic IT literacy section brings everything together. You'll see questions on setting up a new computer, plugging everything in, updating the operating system, and connecting to a network. This section also covers basic troubleshooting concepts, so you won't be that guy who calls tech support about a dead PC only to find that the monitor had been switched off. Yeah, all good stuff. To prepare for the exam, check out our all-in-one exam guide. Review questions in the Total Tester that mimic the real exam questions. And watch the video series starring me. Good luck in your studies.